Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add up a column. So as example, I will create value in these columns. Okay, you can type like 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Now if you want to add up these columns, you can click like at this column and then you can click the auto sum to be highlight the up of the column. Press enter to apply and you can see we have this value. If you change, the value will be automatically changed. Another option, you also can tap manually. You can tap equal sum open and then you can sort like from this point into here, close, and then you can press enter. And another, you can press equal. Okay, you can click at this column plus this option. You can plus again in here the 4 and the 5. Press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add up a column. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.